market on increased capital inflows and dollar selling by exporters. The rupee had settled at 63.48 against the dollar on Friday, up marginally by 2 paise over the previous days. We are joined by our correspondent Sidhant. Sibal, Sidhant, the market news from the markets say that they are trading in green. How long is this expected to last?
Rukma, finally some air of optimism in the Indian economy and the Indian markets. The Indian markets have been trading in positive territory in the last week, and today on the first day of this week, they've opened in a whooping green in like 300 points up the Sensex, and the Nifties are almost 80 points up in early trade. Currently, they are trading 218 points the Sensex, and the rupee also it has gained against the US dollar and is trading 4-week high against the US dollar at 62.58. The basic reason, the first is primarily the sense of optimism. Finally, there is good news for the Indian economy. The rupee is trending against the dollar. Finally, government measures which it has been taking for like a long time, for almost months, they are bearing fruits. And also the fact that that Mr. Rajan took over as the governor of the central bank. The other reason is the international reason, that is the Federal Reserve. The Federal Reserve will come out with its basic question that whether it is going to taper the American stimulus or not. Now, recently, Mr. Lawrence Summer, he is a person who was tipped to be the next chairman of the Federal Reserve. Federal Reserve is a counterpart of the Reserve Bank of India. It's the central bank of United States of America. He was the front runner in the race. He was considered hawkish, and it was considered the fact that if he becomes the chairman of the Fed, he is likely to taper the American stimulus very fast. Now on Sunday, he withdrew from the name, and now another person, Janet Yellen, she is expected to become the new chairman, and she is considered more liberal in a sense that the tapering could take place in a gradual, slow process as compared to Lawrence's policy of tapering it very fast. So that end 18th that is Wednesday, the decision will come out whether the American stimulus will be withdrawn or not. Another big event which will take place this week is the RBI's policy, the monetary policy. The first by the new governor Raghuram Rajan will come out, and the markets, the industry, from the and to the Aam Aadmi, everyone is waiting whether he will continue with the tightening of the with the key rates, or he will go other way around. So these are the two basic factors. Let's go 5 years back also. This week also is another important week because this week marks the 5 years since the Lehman Brothers crisis. Much has changed. At that time in 2008, Asia was the only region which was showing growth. But now, in a sense, it's reversal. In a sense, Asia is seeing a downward trend, and it's a time of observation and just waiting for the future, where that Asia will continue to become the region of growth or not.
Right. Thank you very much, Sidhant, for joining us.